One defense that's commonly used with DUIs is what's known as the inaccuracy of the breath of the blood testing. Here's how it works. Under the DPS, Department of Public Safety, they now govern the rules on blood and breath quality assurance. It used to be the Department of Health Services, but now it's DPS. What they look for is the 31-day calibration records. Every 31 days, the device that measures your blood or your breath has to be calibrated with a known 0.08 solution. If it is more than plus or minus 10% off on their readings with this known solution, we can suppress every test from day 1 to day 31, because you don't know if the machine went out of whack on day 31 or 5 minutes after it was tested on day 1. If that occurs, we can suppress a chemical test given in between to an individual. Now, in regards to the 90-day standard quality assurance procedure, there's a 7-test battery that's done on these devices. If any one of the 7 tests is out of whack, we can again suppress any reading given within the 90 days, because you don't know whether it broke 90 days later or 5 minutes after the last time it was checked. Now, these types of tests can include anything from radio frequency interference. Believe it or not, the officer's radio can cause false readings on breath tests. Or it can include mouth alcohol issues if it's a breath test, where anything you had to drink, if it got mixed in with food that was stuck in your mouth or chewing tobacco, can falsely register a reading. So we look at all of this. Here's the kicker. You have to have a lawyer file these motions for you. For example, if we walk in, get your case dismissed, walk out of court, and somebody else walks in who was stopped 5 minutes after you, who took a test on the same device, the judge and the prosecutor have no duty to tell them, don't plead guilty, the reading's no good. You have to have a lawyer who looks into this and files it on your behalf. And that's what we're very good at. We've done thousands of these cases and we know what to look at.